Did you know 5 brave women changed God's law forever? Meet Mala, Noah, Hogla, Milcah, and Tirzah, sisters who refused to accept unfairness. Their father Zelophehad died with no sons. Back then only men could inherit land. This meant these 5 sisters would get nothing from their family's property. But they believed this wasn't right. Picture this. 5 nervous but determined women walking up to Moses and all the tribal leaders, their hearts pounding as hundreds of eyes stared at them. Women didn't usually speak up like this, but they presented their case with courage, asking why their father's name should disappear just because he had daughters instead of sons. Then something amazing happened. God spoke to Moses and said in Numbers 27 verse 7, "The daughters of Zelophehad speak right." God agreed with them. He changed the law permanently, allowing daughters to inherit when there were no sons. These sisters show us that God values justice and boldness. When we see unfairness, we shouldn't stay quiet. Like them, we can speak up for what's right, trusting that God hears our voices.